That was Ploy. And she was the special outcome for 2007-2008 year, a major change in the direction of the program, the ROSE program, as Girton had offered her a chance to do a VCT here in Bendigo. And now, after 4 years at Girton, she has completed a VCE and a total of 5 years, or almost 5 years in Bendigo. We hope this is not the last time for Ploy, but she must return to Thailand and wait for the outcome of the results and then decide on the future. She has to get her visa and her passport all fixed up if she's coming back to study possibly at La Trobe University, we hope. To tell you a little bit about to tell a little bit about Ploy's experiences, I'll ask Ploy to come forward, and she just wants to do a little thank you. Yes, is that right?
Well, it's nearly 5 years and a long time ago, but I'm thinking definitely be back. So, thank you, everyone that I'm here. Thank you, my mom. Thank you, Vivian, and Girton, Quick Speak, on track. I didn't think I was going to make a speech, but it's been a really, really good 5 years for me. I didn't think that I'm going to come this far, but with all your support, I have a really good experience in here. I have met a lot of people, a lot of connection, and first time I felt like I belong here. I have family here, my mom and dad, and all you guys over here. First time I do a dance demo, that was amazing. I never danced before until then. And I want to say, that's all. Thank you very much for your kindness, generosity, your support, and for always being there for me. Thank you.
Monetary token, and hopefully it will come in handy when you get back to Thailand, and a little bunch of flowers just to say good luck. And Leonie, if you would come forward, just please accept a bunch of flowers from the club, because without Leonie